Right, this parcel from the vegan shop just turned up, and myself and my friend Madison did a little order so we could combine the shipping because she also lives in Wellington. Partial refund notice. Okay, one of the items wasn't available. Just show you what we got from the vegan shop. I'm kind of surprised that the packaging isn't, I know they want to be environmentally friendly, and this, you know, paper packaging is fine, but I'm surprised there's not more on top. That's how it arrived. So Madison got some vegan chocolate bars for her partner Billy for Easter because he's vegan as well. So it's nice to see how big these are, but I think these were honestly between $15 to $18. I'll pop the legitimate prices, not my guesstimates, up on the screen once this video gets edited. So she got 2 mini Veggie crisp bars and this big Veggie bar. And then the rest of it is actually for me. So I'm going to show you what I got. Cashew salted caramel raw whole food bar. Raw whole food bar. These are the Series Organics, like energy bar type things, I guess. These are also salted caramel flavour. These are Series Organics as well. Cashew clusters. They look super delicious. Those for a little snacky. I really want to try some right now. Because Easter is just around the corner, I got myself, where is it focusing? Hello, my face is here. Because Easter is just around the corner, these little clucky egg bars. Oh cute, they've got like little different designs on the outside of them. One's like little paw prints, little birdies, little wavy lines. That's so cute. Another Series Organic. This one is cacao fig orange, so like chocolate orange. Yummy. Health Lab choc bar, Charlotte's Fix, plant-based, plant-based gluten-free double layer chocolate bar. Yummy. Just inserting this clip into the vlog to tell you that I tried the Health Lab milk chocolate bar. Okay, this is the Charlotte's Fix gluten-free double layer, and it's an actual chocolate bar, not like a health, you know what I mean? Like, to give you context, I tried the Series Organic, and I should have vlogged that, but I didn't. The Series Organic fig and orange. I thought it would be like a chocolatey orange like bar, but it wasn't, and I probably wouldn't get that one again. However, this Health Lab chocolate bar, look at this. It's like an actual caramel chocolate bar. Almost finished the entire thing. Yeah, it does say that there's 1 serving per pack, so that's good, because I just had the whole thing in like under 20 seconds. Sugar's 12.2 grams, so that's a lot of sugar. 5 grams of saturated fat, which is also a lot. Carbs 26.4. It's only got 1 gram of protein. So like obviously this is a sweet treat and a sometimes treat, but it's got like gluten-free biscuits in it, tapioca, chickpea, rice bran, coconut sugar. Obviously a lot better for you than like 23 to 30 grams of sugar if you were going to eat like a Moro bar or a crunchy bar or something like that. I've also just seen that on the Woolworths website you can buy these and they're on special for $3.50 each, so I'll be buying more. I want to try the different flavors too. So yummy. Just 2 more things. Would have been 3, but one of them got refunded. So the one that is the partial refund notice is Party Wonderland Mix. So that is a different edition of these. Do not know how to pronounce this brand name. Either Kate's and the J is silent, or Cages and the T is silent. I don't know. Anyway, these are vegan Wonderland Rainbow Edition lollies. I have had these before. They taste very nice and fruity and sweet, and they're all fun, like unicorns and rainbows and things like that. These are Outback Animal gluten-free children's forget that part, chocolate cookies from Orgran, and I use Orgran like gravy mixes. The neighbours next door are doing something outside with a drill in their boat, so please ignore the noise. And lazily, I didn't plug in my mic for this little section. So these, I'm assuming, are going to be like my alternative to like Tiny Teddies. I've never had them before, but we have 4 fun characters: Willy Wombat, Kim Koala, Crikey Crocodile, and Chrissy Kangaroo. And I want to use these and dunk them into the Fix and Fog like chocolate almond spread instead of Nutella, and make myself like Dunkaroos. I don't know if back in the day you've ever seen Dunkaroos. They're in these little trays and you take like a little koala and dunk it in the chocolate. It was like a kids school kind of treat. So I'm going to make my own version with these vegan bickies and some vegan chocolate spread. Shall we try these cashew clusters? Yeah. Yeah. So they're supposed to taste like salted caramel. Yummy. Gently roast organically grown cashews in an organic coconut, sugar and sea salt mix. Yeah, these are delicious. I'm really glad I got these. Do you want to try some?
Sure.
Doing a little unboxing. Salted caramel cashew clusters.
So that's 10 times.
I know.
Oh, damn.
Salted caramel cashew clusters. Salted caramel cashew clusters.
Cashew clusters.
Cashew clusters.
Oh, right, aren't they?
Yeah, they're yummy.
Oh, yes.
And these are the ones that I'm going to try and make Dunkaroos with.
I mean, they're a bit more on brand, aren't they?
They are, because they're little outback animals.
Little wallabies.
Little wallabies.
Cashew clusters. Get them now.
We're not being paid, though. They don't get to have a free ad.
Yet.
Yet. Series Organic. Sponsor me.